Monday, boys. Welcome back to the cab of the old K-Whopper. That's right. So it's Monday. I have no idea what we're getting into today. So let's get today going. Well, we're just out here doing big truck stuff. That's right. Tag lights shorted out. I don't think that much water is going to help lighting circuit much. Boom, just like that. Got a new tag light. Look at that. That light's also out. It's trying, but it ain't doing shit. And first real mod. There we go. It's gonna blend in with the body. Get this side. What do you guys see right there? Yeah, come on, focus. There you go. Right there as well. Lights off. You can hardly tell her they're there. Boom, boys. The beautiful thing about Cummins is they knew these engines were going to go ahead and burn oil. They gave you a built-in funnel. Alright, so I know everybody loves updates, so engine update. Starters put on. Just picked a bunch of shit up from Carter today, so we just need to get things transitioned over, but we're making progress. Alright, 299 D3. Well, here's a public service announcement. If your machine is overheating, okay, and it's losing coolant somewhere in this area right here, filling this is not going to do shit. You need to fill the radiator. If your radiator's low, then there's probably an issue that needs to be repaired. Happy Tuesday, boys. Welcome to another day in the life of a contractor mechanic. We all over the place today, boys. Enjoy. Success. Boom.
What's a permit? Do you have a permit to do that heavy haul later today? Bitch, I don't even have a CDL. Let's ride.
If your engine don't look like that, you better lower your fucking voice talking to me.
That says 23 degrees, boys. 23 degrees. Not feeling it. Happy Wednesday. Yeah, that's what day it is. I've done forgot. Welcome back. Alright, so another day. A whole bunch of crap. We got snow in the forecast. We sent most of our guys to the lower shore, so anything can and will happen, boys. Enjoy. Oh, I forgot the whole thing. A Hitachi snow start here. Batteries are good. Moving back to the starter. Well, found the problem. Ah! 23 degrees outside, rubber track, little machines. Not loving life right now. Yeah, everything's fucking frozen. Gotta get her thawed somehow, boys. Let me tell you guys, there's a small spot in hell for the guy who designed that pump into these D6Ks. Good God. So the fuel filter out of the D6K2, alright? Doesn't look that old. Kind of bent a little bit. Uh-oh. What's that? What is that? What is even that? I see a lot of heavy equipment guys on TikTok, yet none of them show sites like this. Check this shit out. Alright, so 980M, just to change the def manifold, which this one's actually pretty easy to get to, no big deal. I've seen them a hell of a lot worse, but I mean, just to get to the back panel, you're having to go through all that dirt. That panel was completely covered. Look at all that crap. Yeah. Look at it. I mean, you know, not that I'm shooting anything at any of the other guys on TikTok who do heavy equipment. I mean, I've been doing it for a long time, but yet nobody ever shows them in, you know, machines in this kind of condition. Steps? Nah, fuck them. Trash all over the place. Again, this is a fairly new machine, and, you know, landfills are fun. Look at it. The only fun part is when the rats show up, but, you know, it might not happen today. I mean, you know, it's a landfill. What could happen, right?
What's the dumbest thing you've ever done for money?
I don't know. I'd say my whole job.
Morning, boys. Well, we got Thursday on the board. Gonna go back to the D6K2, get that one running this morning, and I don't know, we'll see where the day goes. Let's get to it, boys. All right, back on our old friend, the D6K2. We're gonna go ahead and make up a new supply hose there, and got a new fuel filter for the back there as well. So let's go. All right, so out with the old, in with the new. Let's get this put back together, get this unit primed up. All right, boys, look right in there. New fuel filters, boom and boom in the rear, new line, and we got primage, boys. Let's go. And you guys see right there, we got solid, steady rail pressure now. So we'll let this unit run for a while, check for leaks, and I think this one is a fix. All right, boys, this one is done. Well, boys, from where she was, all bent up, we got it put back on pretty straight, and this will do. Now it's got to fix the auger shaft. Yay.
Big fucking chance of getting Employee of the Month again this month. Going above and beyond again. Everyone's getting sick of me at work because I keep winning it, but I just keep performing.
26 degrees this morning. Heat's got to be all the way up. Heated seat activated. Well, happy Friday morning, boys. Starting out cold. It's going to be a heat wave today. Apparently we're going to crack like 35 degrees at some point. So let's get today going. Man, I swear even the oil gets paid by the hour. Come on, you can do it. Alright, so far this morning we've been trying to get this all sanded down, get this cleaned up now. I mean, it's pretty smooth. Again, it's not going to be perfect. And we got something close, a little farm implement, a little old Kubota, that's right. So go ahead and get this all finished up, cleaned up, and then paint time. Just remember, boys, painting is 90% prep and 10% of fucking it up. Boys, I gotta lie, that came out really nice. A little overspray, but you know, that's just to be expected. Look at that, boys. The older Perkins giving the younger Perkins a little bit of a boost. Well, it took a few minutes to get the old K-Whopper cleaned up after the snowstorm we had. Looking pretty damn good.
I'm too young to retire, I'm too broke to quit, and I damn sure ain't got enough ass to be a stripper, so I guess we going to work.